Welcome to our JavaScript web course. In this video, we will look at some methods that allow us to create HTML content. I have my editor on the left and the browser is on the right. Notice I have the inspector open. This content inside the section with the ID equals result was all generated using DOM methods. And you can see the result here in the web page. So let's take a look at how we did this. The first thing you need to do is to use the createElement method. So here I will set up a variable, let elm h2 equals document.createElement h2. And you always start with document because all you're doing is creating it. It doesn't put it on the page, it just creates it. It will automatically create the ending tag also. So you can always check in the console to make sure that your code is working correctly. Now I'm going to create some content for this element, so I will create another variable, elem h2 text, and I will just assign a string value to that. Now that did not place that text inside that h2 element. It just created these two different things. Now we need to merge them together. So we need to append the text to the h2. And we are using variables for both of these. So we have elem h2.append and in the parentheses elem h2 text. The append method is used for appending any type of node. So we can append text with that. Now I need to put it somewhere. Since we wanted to place it in the section ID equals results, I can access that document.getElement by ID result dot appendChild and append elem h2. At this point, elem h2 already has the text inside it. I use appendChild because this is a child element. However, I could also use append. That seemed pretty straightforward. Let's do another one. So I will set up a variable, let elemp equals document.createElementP. Remember, it creates the closing tag also. And I can test that in the console. Next, I will create a variable to hold some text. So I have elemp text, and I am assigning a string value to that variable. Now I need to merge the P with the text. So I will use elemp variable dot append, and I will be appending the text to that. Finally, I will append that to my section element using document.getElement by ID result dot appendChild elemp. And append adds it at the end. So we have added two elements inside a section element here.